Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off guided access on your iPhone. Go to Settings and scroll down to Accessibility tab, and then scroll down to Guided Access tab and turn the toggle on. And as you can see, you can set a passcode settings and time limits. Now let's set a passcode. And when you have set your own passcode, let's activate guided access in an actual app. Open the desired app, for example mine will be App Store, and triple press the side power button. And it will start guided access. And to turn off guided access, follow these simple steps. While in the active app, in guided access mode, triple press the side power button. And this will require your passcode. When entered your passcode, then tap End, and this will end the guided access mode. Then go into Settings and scroll down to Accessibility tab again, and then scroll down to Guided Access and slide the toggle to the left. And also a tip, if the passcode for guided access is different from your device passcode, be sure to remember it to avoid being locked out. So if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching.